about to discover the AI tools that'll make you 10 times smarter, faster, and irreplaceable in 2025. Turning hand-drawn sketches into working code. An AI that fixes your bugs and teaches you to code better. Google Docs that write themselves. A secret open source tool big tech doesn't want you to use. Turning spreadsheets into Hollywood-worthy visuals. 24/7 language tutors that cost less than Netflix. And that's just the first half. If you're ready to future-proof your career, let's dive into the top 10 AI tools you need to learn before 2025. First up, ChatGPT 4.0. This isn't just a chatbot, it's your AI co-pilot. Marketers upload a competitor's social post, and it'll reverse engineer their strategy. Developers toss in a buggy script, and it debugs line by line. But here's the kicker, O1 mode. This is structured problem solving on steroids. Need to automate server backups? Feed it a shell scripting challenge, and O1 writes the code and explains the logic. Activate RAG search to ground responses in real data. Fewer AI hallucinations, more accuracy. Free tier works, but $20 per month gets you priority access during peak hours. If coding feels like wrestling a gremlin, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is your hero. Let's say you're building a React app and hit a dependency nightmare. Claude doesn't just fix it, it explains why the old library is insecure and suggests modern alternatives. Pair it with GitHub Copilot for instant code completion. Developers, this combo cuts debugging time by 60%. At $20 per month, it's cheaper than a therapy session after a coding meltdown. Google loyalists meet Gemini. Imagine you're swamped with emails. Forward a thread, and Gemini drafts a reply that doesn't sound like a robot. Analysts upload a CSV file and it'll spot trends you missed. Upgrade to Gemini Advanced for heavy lifting. Coding, deep research, even translating legalese into plain English. Just don't ask it to explain why your cat hates Mondays. Stick to data. Open source warriors, DeepSeek R1 is your stealth MVP. Startups, listen up. This tool rivals ChatGPT O1 in coding tasks, but costs 70% less. Testers found it better at analyzing complex slide decks and brainstorming solutions. Pair it with Tab9 to auto-generate docs and squash bugs. Free on their site or pay pennies for API access. Perfect for when your budget's tighter than a startup's runway. Big tech doesn't want you to know this exists. Hate writing? Jasper's your ghostwriter. Feed it a topic like AI Trends 2025, and it spits out a blog, 10 tweet threads, and a LinkedIn carousel in 2 minutes. Data teams. Upload Q2 numbers and it'll predict Q3 trends, flag risks, and even suggest fixes. Jasper's $49 per month. Julius has a free trial, aka your shortcut to looking like a productivity god. Artists, this is your renaissance. MidJourney's perfect for wild conceptual art. Type cyberpunk sushi restaurant, and boom, instant mood board. DALL-E's 3 nails photorealism. Need a product shot? Describe it, and it's done. Use Napkin AI to map ideas first. Charge clients for concept development. They'll never guess it took you 10 minutes. Makes You Fluent isn't your grandma's language app. Say you're pitching a client in Spanish, role-play the convo, and the AI corrects your grammar and tone. At $30 per month, it's like having a tutor in your pocket. Pair it with Duolingo for vocab drills. You might accidentally start dreaming in Mandarin. Perplexity AI is Google's nerdy twin. Ask anything. It replies with citations, not ads. Writers, imagine pasting a query like best AI tools for 2025 and getting sourced answers instantly. Pair it with Fabric to turn chaos into actionable outlines. Free plan rocks, but $20 per month gets you GPT-4 speed. Students, this is your essay cheat code. Your professors hate this one trick. Grok 3's coding skills? But it's real-time Twitter X data? Gold. Track viral trends, stalk competitors, or predict crypto pumps. Just fact-check it. It's like that friend who's fun, but occasionally creative with the truth. Teams, Sonnet Labs is your internal genius. It'll mine your company's data to answer anything. Sales scripts, IT fixes, even why Karen in accounting hates the new software. Custom pricing, but worth every penny to stop the chaos. These tools? They're your 2025 superpowers. Which one's your favorite? Smash like if you're stealing these? Subscribe for hidden AI gems and go crush it. Catch you in the next one.